What's going on, you guys? Eric back here with another YouTube video. Thank you guys yet again for tuning into another video of mine and showing so much love on my last video. Now you guys, if you haven't already yet, please like this video, click that subscribe button, keep up to date with my daily content that I post on YouTube, you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of the video. I got something really good coming up for the stock market going into next week's trading week. So let's get right into it. We got Netflix earnings. We got Tesla earnings. I believe we have, no, Amazon's gonna be the following week. I believe so. But yeah, we got Tesla and Netflix, you guys. Those are like huge companies I'm gonna be watching going into next week's trading week. So I kind of went over this in my Zoom. If you're part of the VIP club, you guys, which again, if you want to be part of the group, you guys click that link down below. Come and join the group. Guys, it's definitely worth it. I call out daily alerts Monday through Friday where I send out banger signals, you guys, 100 to 500% signals where people are making stupid money in the group. So going into next week's trading week, Netflix and Amazon is going to be on the major watch list. Tesla as well. Now with Tesla, I'm not super concerned about. I do believe Tesla is going to outperform on its earnings and it's going to moon. I do believe Tesla's at the bottom, especially when we take our indicators and we see exactly where price action lies right around the indicators, you guys. It's actually showing a lot of strength towards the upside as far as the indicators go. I mean, the CCI just seems pretty flat, just kind of, how I was explaining earlier. CCI looks flat, but MACD looks pretty decent. Stochastic slope looks pretty decent as well. But the major one, you guys, is going to be BABA. BABA freaking calls to the moon. Yes, I'm super bullish on BABA, Alibaba, man. Dude, this stock can really show huge moves towards the upside, you guys. This is something you're definitely not going to want to miss, especially these big moves, you guys. So first off and foremost, we have the indicator CCI showing significant strength towards the upside because of the overextension on the daily time frame. This shows significant strength towards the upside. If you want to play it safe, we look to go long above the bottom red third line. Now, again, you guys, of course, with price action, this has to take place with price action. You cannot just solely rely off indicators. Indicators are a tool for it to be there to help you justify your position and your sizing on your position. Now, of course, with all due respect, you guys, I'm not telling you guys to freaking go full portfolios on this, but this can be a big move. Okay, so I don't want to, come off disrespectful if you, and say like you're an idiot if you don't play this. Like, no, I mean, this is obviously solely your decision if you want to play this certain stock. I'm just giving you guys the analysis and the background behind it and what I see the potential of this stock moving into going into next week's trading week. Wow, I can't even freaking breathe there. Whew. I'm just on a high right now because I'm so excited to share this with all of you guys. And I want you guys to truly make money going into next week's trading week. This potential money-making stock right here. So first off and foremost, we have, like I said, the CCI indicator. Volume, it's not super important to me. I look at where the long term is, kind of like, 2-3 days down the road if I do end up holding the stock. Depending if I day trade or not. So going into next week's trading week, we see this, it's called like a pin bar, hammer candle, whatever you want to call it. More of a pin bar candle. Shows significant strength towards the upside. Now, with these types of moves, you guys, you want to make sure you understand where price action lies around. Now, price action, where I see the potential move, is going to be off this bounce up here above 104.33. Now, if BABA opens up above 104.33, we are going to look to buy the bounce for calls. Now, if it is consolidating between this 97 and 104 range, we're going to look to buy the bounce around this area right here for calls. It could very much so test this area of support, which is very possible, you guys. There's no guarantees that, it's going to open up 104.33. Now, the only way I can tell, you guys, if it's pre-market. If pre-market, it opens up above, and that's why I can't justify this position exactly to the dot until Monday pre-market. Once Monday pre-market comes along, I will have probably a 90 to 100% probability what I'm going to be doing as far as entering my position on BABA. Now 104.33, that's a good range to buy those calls. Even if it opens up above 108, you guys, which I don't know if it will. I do believe 104 is going to be the key level of entry for BABA calls if it does open up above. Now I know I keep repeating myself when I say that. So I'm going to be buying the bounce for calls above 104.33 if it opens up pre-market. So that is that with BABA. Oh, and another thing, guys, BABA freaking calls can outperform. I don't know when earnings is announced. I mean, it shows, sometime in August 3rd. It's not confirmed yet. I think that's why there's a question mark. But another thing, guys, big, huge gap fill, you guys, for BABA. BABA can legitimately fill, especially with what we notice is called a falling wedge, you guys, on the daily time frame. These are super important. The trend is obviously right now in a downtrend, but CCI is showing significant strength towards the upside. If you want to play it safer, like I said, bottom third line right slightly above it can confirm for those calls. Netflix, let's look at Netflix. Netflix is going to be huge, actually, man, Netflix, dude. I'm just so pissed off. I legitimately had a buddy of mine tell me, dude, Eric, buy Netflix calls. I kept staring at it because, I was in other positions. I didn't want to really get into Netflix. I actually kept thinking it was going to reject, but it ended up running. Literally, you could have made like 5,000%, you guys, on Friday. It was insane. I think contracts actually ran up like 4,000 or something like that, probably percent if you bought out of the money. It was absolutely insane. My buddy actually cashed out nearly 1,000%. He shot me pictures of being up 700% in profits and stuff. It was just disgustingly crazy, which again, I'm very proud of him and very happy that he actually took advantage and got into this play. Because, man, this was a huge move, you guys. $14 move on Netflix. Alongside with earnings, with CCI indicator confirming towards the upside with as well the stochastic slope. Now, again, I don't use this indicator as my price of entry. I don't use any indicators as prices of entry. Volume actually confirmed huge. Again, I don't like really trading volume because a lot of times these can be fake outs. But again, you guys, what's so crazy about this, I'm going to tell you that because of what we see price action solely looking like going into Monday's trading day, we can actually buy the bounce on Netflix. And I have the most perfect levels on Netflix, baby. This is what I freaking love, you guys. So I'm going to be watching 187.40 for a potential buy zone for calls and or 183.59. We can get a huge sell-off. Now, you guys, keep in mind, Netflix made a huge run into Friday's market open all the way to the moon, finishing off at huge highs. Guys, it finished off 8% higher. That's massive moves. But you guys, you have to pay close attention to this. Just because it made a massive move on Friday, it doesn't mean Monday coming along, it's just going to keep mooning, right? It doesn't work like that, you guys. We have to whatever goes up must come back down. Not all the way back down, but slightly back down. Could find ourselves rejecting on Netflix, probably even consolidating until Tuesday earnings, right? So where am I going to be buying the buy zones? Just like I said, I like this key level of 183.59, which more so I'll probably round down to 183.50. 187.40 is going to be a buy zone as well if I see this consolidation phase happen in between these areas right here. If it opens up above 192.20, that is going to be a major key level buy zone, and we can actually even look on the daily time frame and pick out our resistance and supports, you guys. Nothing beats those supply and demand zones. I'm telling you right now, nothing beats those supply and demand zones. So right here is going to be a resistance. Now, like I said, I really like this 187, but again, we want to find where that 187 has been tested multiple times. That is actually where the buyers are going to step in and be like, oh, I'm going to buy this up, push it up off this support zone, right? So we need to make sure we're setting our proper levels. So 187, how many times has it gotten tested, right? So tested here, bounced here, boom, then finally broke through. 187. This is why I use my fibs, you guys. This is why I use my fibs. Like I'm telling you, it's key level right here, 187, somewhere around here, kind of bounce up here. So there's not really much buying zone at that 187. But where I do see huge potential, you guys, is that 183. So remember, Netflix can easily fall right here, you guys, right, to 183. And we'll just move it slightly up to that wick, 183.76. And what do you know, you guys? It lines up perfectly with the what? 183.59 zone on Netflix of the 61.8% psychological level on the fibs. This could be the buy opportunity right here, 183.76, which also, like I said, I'm rounding down to 183.50 to buy in for those calls. So that is going to be a key level I'm going to be watching. I do believe, like I said, Netflix can see a sell-off, you guys. If it opens up above, now, you guys, 190 is going to be another key level. If it opens up above that 190, I might even buy the bounce for calls at the 190 level, just because, again, it's a key level. You guys, it tested right here, boom, broke down. Tested again at 190.26, boom, broke down. Tested again, boom, broke down. What happens after so many tests, test, break, test, break, test, break, it finally, boom, breaks through. And another thing, you guys, on Netflix, why I'm so bullish on it, you guys, this is common sense. This is something just, you got to understand why you're looking at charts, you guys. I've been doing this for almost a decade. Yes, 10 freaking years. You know, I mean, I'm been doing it for 8.5, 9 years, but I say 10 years because it feels like a lifetime. Now, you guys, Netflix, the W-shaped pattern. Don't tell anybody. This is the secret to your success. It's the W pattern, you guys. Also known as what? The double bottom. You guys, like, this is straight in your face right there. Double bottom, known as the W pattern. Guys, what happens with W patterns? They form again, and they break through. To the moon. You guys, this is a moon play. Can play it up to 197. I mean, you guys, I would not be surprised if Netflix comes down to 187. Probably even 183, because this is a key level right here that has been tested at a few times. Like I said in the past, it's a key level of support. Now support, it used to be resistance, finally broke through, broke down, boom, W form pattern to the moon. Guys, this is a simple, easy play. And I'm going to be watching this because I do not want to miss out on this. Netflix earnings is on Wednesday, or I think Tuesday. I can't remember exactly. Let me check. What day is this? What day, man? What day? I'm so excited. 7/22. So 7/22, July 22nd, okay? God, I don't even know my days anymore. That's going to be, that's going to be Friday. July 22nd is a Friday. Holy shit. I actually didn't even realize it was a Friday. I thought it was a Tuesday. So yeah, Netflix. Dude, wait a minute. No. Okay, so we have two things going on. There's a call. Is this on the same day? July 19th and July 21st. Dude, I don't know what the hell this means. Guys, help me out, because I am not good with earnings whatsoever. I really am not. I don't play earnings at all, but I'm going to gamble my money on this because I do believe, anyways, whatever day it is, if it's July 21st, Thursday, and whatever comes on the 20th, I'm going to be watching, for earnings. And again, I know my group members will probably shoot me an earnings calendar, and I'll probably see on there. But you guys, Netflix calls. I think Netflix can make huge moves towards the upside, like I said. Huge opportunity. Don't miss out on this. Must play this position, especially with this huge gap fill, you guys. Gap fills usually 99% of the time get filled. Not right away, but look, we've been literally under the gap fill for a very long time. It has been so long, you guys. It's been 1, 2, 3 months, you guys. 3, 4 months. Like, that's insane. So watch Netflix towards the upside, you guys. Netflix, Amazon. I think I ran through with you guys on Amazon. What else did I run through with you guys? Now, of course, if the market is bullish, okay, Amazon's going to be a nice little bull run too. If we watch Amazon, when's Amazon's earnings? July 28th. towards the upside. We can break above this trend. If we break above this trend, we can see around 120 on Amazon. It would be a great trading day, trading week. So yeah, next week, I'm hoping for a bullish week, guys. If you guys have any questions, like always, feel free to reach out to me. And you guys, as always, thank you for tuning into the YouTube video. And if you haven't already, please click this like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And guys, I will see you guys in the next video.